Welcome everyone. In our last few videos, we explored the stunning cities of Pompeii, Bari, and Lecce in southern Italy. We explored several historic sites in these cities. So far, we've visited 9 countries. We've created short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Today, we're starting our journey from Otranto, another historic city in southwest Italy. It took us roughly 30 minutes to drive from Lecce to Otranto. Otranto, a picturesque coastal town in the Apulia region of southern Italy, has a population of approximately 5,600 residents. The town is renowned for its well-preserved historic centre, known as the Centro Storico. The Centro Storico is a must-see. It's a well-preserved historic area full of charming shops, vibrant cafes, and local artisans. You get a taste of modern Italian culture amidst historical surroundings. The walled area near the beach, known as the Bastione dei Pelasgi, is a highlight. Otranto has a rich history dating back to ancient times. It was a strategic and cultural hub through Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Norman periods. In 1480, the town bravely resisted the Ottoman armies. The Monumento agli Eroi e Martiri del 14 Agosto 1480 commemorates the 800 martyrs who were executed during the Ottomans' invasion. This monument is a tribute to their bravery and a key part of Otranto's history. Now let's head to Spiaggetta del Molo, a charming beach near the harbour. It offers a serene spot to relax, swim, and enjoy the clear waters of the Adriatic Sea. The beach is easily accessible from the town's historic centre, making it popular for both locals and tourists seeking a tranquil escape. The crystal clear waters make it ideal for swimming. The sandy area is perfect for playing beach football, while others may prefer to relax on the sand, soaking up the sun and enjoying the picturesque coastal views. Near the beach, you'll see the Bastione dei Pelasgi. This historic fortification is about 5 meters high, 3 meters thick, and quite wide. It was crucial for defending Otranto from invaders. Visitors can enjoy the beach's natural beauty and appreciate the historical significance of these impressive walls. Another must-see is the Cattedrale di Otranto, also known as the Cathedral of Santa Maria Annunziata. Built in the late 11th century and consecrated in 1088, it features Romanesque architecture with Gothic and Baroque additions. The cathedral is particularly famous for its impressive mosaic floor, created by the monk Pantaleone between 1163 and 1165, depicting a wide array of biblical, mythological, and allegorical scenes. Over the centuries, the cathedral has undergone various restorations and remains a significant historical and cultural landmark in Otranto. Surrounding the cathedral, the narrow, winding streets of Otranto's historic centre are lined with charming houses and quaint shops. These streets are a delight to explore, with their whitewashed buildings, colourful flowers and inviting cafes. The area exudes a timeless charm, reflecting the town's rich history and vibrant culture, making it a favourite spot for both locals and tourists. So, whether you're here for the history, the culture, or just a relaxing day by the sea, Otranto has something for everyone. From the historic Centro Storico and its bustling streets, to the serene Spiaggetta del Molo and the majestic Cattedrale di Otranto, this town is a perfect blend of relaxation and heritage. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Otranto. Next time, we will take you to Cave of Poetry. Then from Cave to Poetry to Alberobello. And then from Alberobello to Sorrento, cities of Italy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures.